How to transfer XRP to Trust Wallet. Now, first of all, open the Trust Wallet app. Make sure that you are on your wallet account. So after that, what you need to do, you can tap on Manage Crypto. If you don't see your XRP here on the home page, you can tap on Manage Crypto. As you can see, you will be able to see a bunch of tokens. So you'll be able to see this XRP turning off. Now, if you want to see it in the home page, you can turn it on. Now go back to your home page. As you can see, tap on Manage Crypto, and I will be just turning on, and as you can see, tap on it. So here, to be able to transfer your XRP to Trust Wallet, what you need to do, you need to get the withdrawal address from your Trust Wallet. Now, to be able to do that, click on Receive, and you will be able to see this withdrawal address. Now just copy it. Now go to that app that you have XRP on it that you want to transfer from. For example, it will be Binance for that. Now open your app. As you can see here, you will be able to log into your account and tap on Assets. Now set the spot from the top, tap on Withdraw. Now in here you can search for XRP, as you can see. Now after that, tap on it. As you can see, tap on Send via Crypto Network. And here they will ask you for the address that you just copied from Trust Wallet. Now paste it here. Now as you can see, the network, it will be XRP Ledger. Now the tag, if you have, you can paste it. If you don't have it, it's your choice. Now you can tap the amount that you want to transfer and just tap on Withdraw, and you will be able to receive it on your Trust Wallet. So this is how to transfer XRP to Trust Wallet. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.